हेलो दोस्तों, अगर डिक्टेशंस पसंद आएँ तो लाइक, शेयर और सब्सक्राइब ज़रूर कर दीजिएगा। अगर आप इस चैनल पे नए हैं तो लाल रंग का सब्सक्राइब बटन है, बेल के साथ दबा दीजिएगा ताकि आपको आने वाली डिक्टेशंस टाइम टू टाइम समय पे मिल सकें। थैंक यू। स्टार्ट। Dr. Kaushal Jayendra Thakur, J. heard Learned Counsel for the petitioners and Learned Standing Counsel for the state full stop. Para. It is stated that both petitioners belong to the same religion, that they are major, and that they have solemnized their marriage out of their own free will full stop. Para. It is alleged that the private respondents are interfering with marital life and liberty of the petitioners, and in case this court does not grant them protection, their lives may be endangered full stop. It is also submitted that they have moved an application to the police authority full stop. Para. On the other hand, comma, Learned Standing Counsel states that some rider may be applied full stop. Para. As the petitioners have shown their intent to live together and there is apprehension that their lives may be endangered, comma, the police authority concerned shall give protection to them in view of the decisions of Apex Court in Gyan Devi versus Superintendent, comma, Nari Niketan, Delhi and others in bracket 1976, 3 SCC 234, semicolon, Lata Singh versus State of UP and another in bracket 2006, 5 SCC 475, semicolon, and Bhagwan Das versus State in bracket NCT of Delhi in bracket 2011, 6 SCC 396, and as per the government order dated 31/8/2019 full stop. Para. It goes without saying that this court has not entered into whether the marriage is legal or not full stop. Para. With these observations, this petition is partly allowed full stop. Since the writ petition is being disposed of at the stage of fresh motion itself and notices have not been issued to private respondents, as such liberty is given to them to file a recall in case any of the averments made in the writ petition are found to be incorrect, comma, and this order shall stand automatically vacated in case any first information report has been lodged in the matter full stop. Para. That citizen has during any war in which India may be engaged unlawfully traded or communicated with an enemy or been engaged in or associated with any business that was to his knowledge carried on in such manner as to assist an enemy in that war, or para, that citizen has been ordinarily resident out of India for a continuous period of 7 years and during that period has neither been at any time a student of any educational institution in a country outside India or in the service of a government in India or of an international organization of which India is a member, comma, nor registered annually in the prescribed manner at an Indian consulate his intention to retain his citizenship of India full stop. Para. The central government shall not deprive a person of citizenship under this section unless it is satisfied that it is not conducive to the public good that the person should continue to be a citizen of India full stop. Para. Before making an order under this section, the central government shall give the person against whom the order is proposed to be made notice in writing informing him of the ground on which it is proposed to be made, and if the order is proposed to be made on any of the grounds specified in subsection in bracket 2 other than clause in bracket E thereof of his right full stop.